back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have 5 or 6 different job leads to share with you in today's video. These are all non-phone, no customer service, no being on the phone, call center jobs, completely non-phone. Most of these do not require any kind of college degree. We're going to dive in. Just know the links to all the pages I share in case you want to read reviews on the companies or get that application in are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I am trying on this channel to do at least one of these non-phone job lead videos every single week. So I just want to ask that if you're not subscribed and you like these job lead videos, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification icon. That way YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. Of course, I ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family so we can all live our happiest, healthiest life working from home with that great work-life balance. Diving right on in though, first up we have the company study.com. Now study.com has 409 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor. They do come in with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're hiring an article reviewer. Now, this is a contract 1099 position. It does say they're hiring for multiple countries, but they're looking for people to review or proofread articles about standardized exams and study.com's test prep products and services. So you're not going to have to write the articles, but once the writers write the articles, you're going to collaborate with the writers, providing any helpful and actionable feedback, making sure that the content is high quality before it is posted on study.com's website. So you're going to get to choose the articles that you review. You're going to independently choose work from a pool of available articles. You'll take your article once you've chosen it and proofread it for factual accuracy, so you may have to Google some things to make sure the facts are correct, the writing quality, and making sure that the writer adhered to study.com's guidelines. You'll write and send detailed, helpful feedback back to the writer. Now, they do pay twice a month, and as far as pay is concerned, they did not list the pay in this job listing, but I am told pay is possibly anywhere around $20 an hour for the United States. Now, this is going to be a flexible position. You can work anywhere, anytime you want. It's completely online, so you can set your own schedule. So this is going to be great as one of those part-time side hustle jobs that you can do to make extra money working around another full-time job or other responsibilities. Moving right along, we have the company IXL Learning. Now, I have personally done work on IXL Learning before, helping my child. A lot of schools use it as your online workspace. It has problems like math problems or reading comprehension problems, and it has like multiple choice answers and different things, and you choose the answer. It's like an online interactive workbook instead of having old style textbooks. So a lot of K through 12 schools use IXL Learning to deliver their curriculum these days. They do have 368 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.1 out of 5 star rating. This is again another freelance 1099 position, but they are hiring a math content tester. This is a temporary 6-month position. You do have a possibility for extension, but you're going to be testing math problems, making sure there are no typos, it's formatted correctly, and there are no actual mathematical errors. You'll verify that digital math problems match their original designs. You'll record any grading bugs or visual issues, and you'll collaborate with the designers to meet any project deadlines. So as far as what they're looking for, somebody who's great attention to detail, strong math skills. They strongly prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree in math, but it doesn't say it's required. You do have to be able to communicate professionally. Now, unfortunately, again, because this is a freelance position, there's a little bit of leeway in the schedule and everything and when you work, but pay was not listed. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Just a little reminder, I simply share what I find online, helping you find the best work from home jobs for you. I don't actually work for any of these companies, so I don't have any additional information outside of what is posted. Now, if non-phone customer service like website chat is your thing and you're looking for a full-time job, the next might just be for you. The company is Reynolds Reynolds. They do have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a chat specialist. Now, it does say this is a remote opportunity. They're hiring inbound chat specialists to work with their website. People will be sending messages on the website inquiring about automotive or recreational vehicle sales, service, finance, and any general dealership questions. Their focus is to represent the dealer clients favorably online and to turn that experience into a lead so those people actually go to the dealers and buy a car. So you're going to be handling a wide variety of customer inquiries through that online chat, providing them with accurate information about products and services. You're going to narrow down on appointment information and try to get those appointments scheduled, capturing that customer contact information and then sending it on so that they can be contacted by the dealer. You're going to summarize your interactions in the system. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who has experience in either retail customer service or the automotive industry, someone who has a basic internet and computer skills, someone who can multitask and be positive and professional. Of course, you have to have a great communication skills. Now, you do have to have your own computer for this. They are not providing you with any equipment. And it looks like they're only hiring in the state of Alabama at this time. Now, pay is really low for this position. It is $13 an hour. If you're looking for a company that's pretty much hiring it throughout the United States and pays really well, Cash App might be just for you. They have been killing it lately with their work from home jobs, but Cash App has another position open for us this week. It is a compliance appeals quality specialist. This is a full-time for the United States. And they're basically looking for an appeals quality specialist to join their block and support to continue building out their Cash App compliance program. So they're on a mission to make banking and financial services accessible to underserved and underbanked people. They're looking for somebody to ensure the quality standards are adhered to in accordance with their policies. You'll provide a specific and actionable written feedback to specialists, so completely non-phone. You're going to participate in meetings to make sure that the team is providing consistent and fair feedback. You'll respond to level 2 escalations and inquiries. You need to understand regulatory landscape and compliance requirements. So this is going to be BSA and AML requirements. You're going to help do the due diligence, screening requirements, anti-money laundering protocols. So you're trying to make sure that everything is running within the laws and compliance. You'll help contribute to projects and recommend suggestions to help define new process improvement opportunities. So while they are not requiring a college degree, they do want somebody who has 3 years experience in AML or BSA related work, specifically in the payments space. They want somebody who has experience in quality control, somebody who has investigative skills and is familiar with public record searches, and someone who can work in a fast-paced environment. Now, pay for this position is where this position really shines. They do have the United States broken down into zones. To find out what zone your state is in, there is a linked resource right here that you can view, but the lowest pay is $30.96 an hour, with the highest pay being $50.43 an hour. On top of that fabulous pay, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. Now, it wouldn't be me if I didn't throw some healthcare positions in the mix. Amerihealth is a health insurance provider. They are looking for a provider claims service representative. This is going to be a remote work from home position. But they're specifically looking for somebody to help suspend claims that require additional information or special handling and initiate action to obtain required information. You'll forward claims requiring that external department information to the correct department. You're going to monitor those outstanding inquiries, review and verify quality audit reports, and reconciling any audit discrepancies. You're going to respond and resolve any provider or health plan claim inquiries, monitor and track aged, pending, or open reports, document, file, and support payment decisions. So this is an insurance company, Amerihealth is, and so different hospitals, providers, and doctors' offices will be sending claims for payment to Amerihealth, and so any claims that require medical records or additional information the providers did not send, you're going to be working with handling those. Now, no college degree is needed, just a 4 years experience in claims or call center customer service, a high school diploma or GED, somebody who can type 45 words per minute, and work on a computer. Now, unfortunately, again, Amerihealth did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. And staying within the healthcare theme, we have the company Radiology Partners. They do have 240 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a cash reconciliation specialist. It does say this is remote and it is a full-time position. It does say Radiology Partners is a fast-growing radiology practice in the United States. They are basically looking for somebody to join their revenue cycle team to help with cash posting. You'll partner with finance, so their bank access, client sites, and external billing teams to complete the billing system and bank reconciliation. So this is like when they bill the insurance companies and they get money in. You're going to help with the data collection and compilation of different various sources. You'll look at reports and analytical tools, performing audits, and providing feedback to management. You're going to do research to support any revenue cycle goals, so bringing in that money, making sure it is posted, and looking at any overpayments and underpayments. So you need to be capable of posting miscellaneous payments, both manual and electronic, to those patient accounts. Any missing non-EDI payments or contractual allowance rejection codes, all of those things. So when the insurance company doesn't fully pay a claim because a patient owes a copay, deductible, coinsurance, things like that, you're going to have to make sure that those are all posted in the system correctly. Now, they are only requiring a high school diploma and 3 years of some kind of medical billing or collection experience. They do want somebody who knows insurance like Medicare, Medicaid, payment posting, or how to read EOBs. Of course, you've got to be a problem solver with great analytical skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all my rambling, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please always, on any of my videos, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I do read those and keep a running list and keep my eye out when I'm searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button to give me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.